everyone. In today's video I'm going to use my little wood block that I use just as a handle, and I am going to stamp with some twine. So I know I've done this differently. I did some with my brayer, but I want to see what kind of design I can get just with this. So let's see if I can. I'm thinking I might need to glue it, which is fine, or if I just wrap it pretty tightly and then use that. But I'm just going to, I don't really have any particular design in mind. I just kind of want to do, just wrap it around, and there's my scissors. And just use this like I've used quite a few other items on this. The little just scrap wood pieces have been working really well as a nice little handle for just creating a stamp and then using it. So I'm going to kind of want to adjust it just so that I have it going in different directions and different spacing and sizing so that it won't be all even. And then what I'm going to do is just take, I'm going to start with this one. I'm just using some white paint, and I'm just going to take my brayer and smooth it out a little bit so that I can dip my twine piece right in there. So we'll see how well this works. I think that's gonna pick up the paint pretty nicely, so if it doesn't, you could always use your brayer and just run that over. But the twine is just so, it's kind of like a burlap, so there's all sorts of like extra little hairs sticking off of it, so I think it's gonna make just a really interesting design. But just gently, oh, I do like that. Just those little repetitive patterns. Really, oh, I like this a lot. So similar to some other things that I've used, but that twine is just so uniform. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna do just a little bit at the top here to kind of fill in my page. Yeah, so very easy on that one, but I like that white on top of my turquoise green. So I have a black page, and just gonna smooth out a little bit more of my paint. Yeah. All right, so really easy way to do some. I think I'm just going to grab one book page and do one with that. There. So we'll add just a little bit more paint. And I'm going to do this way. There we go. Yeah, just those nice repeat patterns, and then you can take it off. You can totally rinse out your twine and reuse it, or you could let it dry and harden and then use it again and see what those areas that dry with the paint on them look like as a stamp too. But very, very fun and easy way with some twine on that one. So I like that. I really like using just my little wood block. This has been great. This was actually a longer piece and my husband trimmed it down for me. And so I could even trim it down again and make it a little bit thinner. But just a little scrap piece of wood has been great for using it as a handle for a stamp and different items. So I hope you guys like this video today. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow.